Hello everyone, this is your Weather on the Fly tropical update for Saturday, September 27, 2025. Depression expected to strengthen into a tropical storm tonight or early Sunday. Heavy rains continue over portions of eastern Cuba and the Bahamas. At 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the center of Tropical Depression 9 was located near latitude 22.2 north, longitude 76.5 west. The depression is moving toward the northwest near 5 miles per hour. Maximum sustained winds are near 35 miles per hour. Minimum central pressure is 1,005 millibars. The organization of the depression has not changed much since this morning. Some deep convection has flared up this afternoon near the estimated center, which appears broad in the 850 millibar flight level wind data from the Air Force Hurricane Hunters. The earlier scatterometer winds and more recent aircraft data do not suggest the system has intensified. The initial intensity is held at 35 miles per hour for this advisory. Over the next couple of days, the system should turn more north-northwestward within the flow between an upper trough over the southeast U.S. and a subtropical ridge over the Atlantic. This forecast brings the depression over the central and northwestern Bahamas through early Monday, then toward the southeast U.S. coast by Tuesday. Warm waters and strong upper-level divergence should promote strengthening during the next few days, but this could be tempered by moderate southerly shear over the system from an upper-level trough. The National Hurricane Center intensity forecast shows steady strengthening through early next week, with the system becoming a hurricane by late Monday or early Tuesday. There is still above-average uncertainty in the details of the long-range forecast. In general, the models agree that the presence of Hurricane Umberto to the east will result in a weakening of the prevailing steering currents, causing the system to slow down and meander near the southeast U.S. coast on Tuesday. While the chances of a landfall appear lower than yesterday, there are still some hurricane regional models and ensemble solutions that show this possibility. Given the expected asymmetric storm structure, a risk of significant heavy rainfall, storm surge, and wind impacts exists for the southeast U.S. coast even if the storm center remains offshore. While many global models show a sharp eastward turn and acceleration away from land, the system fails to be captured by the trough in the latest Euro model run and lingers offshore. The NHC track forecast at days 4 to 5 maintains a consensus approach and shows a slower eastward motion, but future track adjustments are likely as confidence increases. The system may be in close proximity to fronts by the end of the period, so extratropical transition could begin around or shortly after day 5. The depression is expected to strengthen and bring tropical storm conditions to portions of the central and northwestern Bahamas through Sunday night. Tropical storm conditions are also possible along portions of the east coast of central Florida beginning Monday, where a tropical storm watch is in effect. There is a significant threat of heavy rainfall early next week from portions of the east coast of Florida northward into the Carolinas, which could cause flash, urban, and river flooding. The depression is expected to be at or near hurricane intensity when it is closest to the southeast U.S. coast early next week, where there is a risk of storm surge and wind impacts. Although it is too soon to specify the exact location and magnitude of impacts, residents should closely monitor the latest forecast updates and ensure that they have their hurricane plan in place. Be sure to share, like, and subscribe for the latest National Hurricane Center updates.